Hi, it's Anna Haferman. Several years ago, I made some videos showing how to E-wrap automatically using your carriage rather than E-wrapping by hand. And at the time, I did not have an LK150 to demonstrate on, even though I did do one on the Brother KX350, which is essentially the same machine. The carriages are labeled differently, so this is for LK150 users who may not be able to translate the levers. So on the LK150, you have a triangle and a circle on your side lever, and for the E-wrap, the automatic E-wrap, we're going to push the side lever to the circle, which is part, and then the Russell lever will be on 2, and we'll do that on both sides. So we'll go on part and 2 over here. So then we'll thread the carriage and put a clamp or clip on the tail so it weights itself down. Now for my theoretical project, I'm going to use 12 stitches at tension 6. So for my E-wrap, I'm going to go down 2 tensions to 4. And then I will start at pulling out my first needle from position A to position D. And then I'll run my carriage across and back, and it E-wrapped it. So then I'll take my next needle, pull that all the way out to D, do that again. And then whatever the next one, grab that one. And so what it's doing is when I go across, it's slipping over that needle, and then it's not really doing anything going back. It's just carrying the yarn back. So then I'll do one, and it's making a really even E-wrap. And this is for people who are new, who aren't real good at E-wrapping yet, although I do recommend learning it by hand if you can, because it's faster to do it by hand. But if you have issues with eyesight or arthritis or something like that, this may help you. So I'll just keep going till I get my 12 needles. And all I'm doing is pulling the needle from position A out to position D, leaving all the other ones where they are, and knitting across. Now I'm going to put my levers back to the triangle. So the back, the front, the side levers, which are the back levers, go all the way back. And now we're going to knit. So I'm going to go to my main tension, which was 6, and knit my first row after my cast on. So what I'm going to do, I can't really get any weight on here yet because there's nothing to hang it on. So I'm just going to hold those against the flow combs and knit across. So then, so I've got my levers back. And that was my first row. And then I'm going to pull those out again for my next row because I still really don't have much to knit on. There's my row 2, and maybe one more time. Knit one more. And now I can get weight on it. So now I won't have to pull them out each time, and just knit. And that was an easy way to E-wrap. So let me show you what this looks like. I'm going to take my claws off and cut this yarn and show you what that looks like. So here's my sample, and that's my E-wrapped edge. So that's our automatic E-wrap on the LK150. If you like the video, please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, please ask. Thanks.